Are you looking for the best macro lens for your Sony camera? In this video, we will dive into the top option available in the market, comparing their features and prices. So on today's vlog guys, we have an option for your macro lens for your full frame Sony camera, mirrorless camera. So again guys, we will dive into the option and check which is macro lens is fits for you. So before we start, before anything else, if you like this kind of content, if you like photography, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So let's start now guys. Let's jump into the top macro lens for your Sony camera. So first we have here the Sony FE 90mm f2.8 macro G OSS lens. So this is an E-mount lens, full frame format with 1:1 magnification ratio, internal focus, aspherical ED and super ED elements, direct drive supersonic wave AF motor with sliding focus ring for AF and MF, or this one. See? Just pull down and pull up for manual and autofocus. Yeah, selection. So you have aperture range of f2.8 to f22 with a minimum focus distance of 11 inches or 28 centimeter with nano AR coating, optical steady shot, image stabilization, focus hold button, and focus range limiter. So this is the Sony 90mm, famous Sony 90mm macro lens. So yan. Next is on the line is the smallest macro 90mm that we have is the Sigma 90 f2.8 DN contemporary lens from Sony E-mount. Again, the price is $640. So again, all the prices that I will mention, it depends on your local market. This price is from the famous US shop. So, yan, again, it's $640 with the E-mount lens full frame format, 5 SLD elements, all metal barrel constructions. Aperture range from f2.8 to f22, 1 aspherical elements, rounded 9-bladed diaphragm, weather shield construction, minimum focus distance of 50 centimeter. So, this is the second lens that we have, the option. Sigma, the smallest macro that you can get from 90mm. Next is the Tamron. And we have here the Tamron 90mm f2.8 DI Mark III VXD macro lens. It's around $700. Full frame f2.8 to f16 with VXD autofocus system, 9.1 focus or 23.1 centimeter with BBR G2 and fluoride coating. Short telephoto prime, 1:1 magnification, focus limit switch, focus set button, and moisture resistant construction. So this is the third lens, the macro lens that we have, the Tamron 90mm. And for the last one, we have the Laowa. The Laowa Optics, Venus Optics Laowa 90mm for f2.8, 2 times ultra macro APO lens from Sony. It's around $500 with E-mount lens full frame format, minimal focus of 20.5 centimeter with achromatic APO design, manual focus design, and the aperture range is f2.8 to f22. So guys, this is the 4 best macro lens that we can use for your Sony full frame camera. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. If you want to check all the prices of these lenses, macro lenses, you can visit us here in Megastore showroom, or if you want to check the price availability, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, these are Sony from Tamron, Sony, Laowa, and Sigma. So yan guys, if you have any additional macro lens that you think it's a good macro lens for full frame, you can comment down below and let's see. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.